Tell us, how have you enjoyed the welding class so far? I know you're about to get ready to graduate. What was you thinking about it when you first dived into it, and now since you've been in it, you know, how did you think about the class?
Yeah, when I think about it, when I first started learning, it was cool. When I started learning about it, so it was a different experience. Basically, it was a little challenging. It was a little confusing.
A little confusing at first?
Confusing at first, learning all these terms, and, adding different vocabulary to
Adding a different vocabulary to your lifestyle. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Then it just really feel like art. Like it's like
It is like art. It is a type of art. Yes, it is. So
like it's drawing and tracing. So
like drawing and tracing, that's good. And once you get that concept down, that's why your lines be so damn good too. You like to draw, don't you?
Yeah, I'm used to a little bit.
Okay.
Like recently,
But you can tell though those same skills apply to
Right.
learning how to weld.
Yeah.
So now that you done got into it, do you feel confident as far as knowing that you can start a new career with this welding?
I feel confident learning because I already learned, so I want to get it better.
You only gonna get better now, so you only get better now. So what's some of your goals? Is some of your goals once you graduate to trying to find a local job? You gonna try to travel? I mean, what's some of your plans?
Well, at first, I'm just trying to get settled in one place for a good year or two.
Okay, try to find you one place in the States so you can suck up some knowledge.
Learn,
Okay.
save up, learn, make it a full-time career.
To make it a full-time career. Okay.
Yeah, then eventually, I travel, do some
Travel.
expand.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it. So have you already got a company you've been thinking about in the area right now? Do you got somebody lined up that you've been thinking about going to?
Yeah, probably it's Lexicon.
Lexicon? Okay, shout out to Lexicon. I support Lexicon because I'm gonna be honest with you. People ask me all the time, hey man, they paying you to support us. Nah, they just a good company, man. I mean, once you meet somebody and you really see that a company really want to see you grow, really willing to get you, you don't have to stay one thing there. You can always grow, and that's one thing why I literally promote them. And then I got my first job out of prison from Lexicon. So when I moved into Little Rock, after prison, they hired me welding for them at Custom Metals, man. I was making good money at that time. I was making $18 welding, you know, for them. They gave me an opportunity out of prison. So the only reason I lost the job, I moved to a different city. If it wasn't for that, I'd have still been working for them because it was just the money was laid back. It was just a good experience. And then that was over 10 years ago. So just expect what it's like now. You know what I'm saying? So I really think you're gonna have a good opportunity. I think you're gonna have a good shot.
Yeah, especially now. So, like they're the only company that's been trying to communicate with us.
Just trying to communicate. So to be honest with you, there has been one company that's been coming in, communicating with us. They donated some of them welding coupons you've been practicing on. So I mean, it's a no-brainer really to give them a shot. You know, because you got to mess with those who cool with you at the end of the day. So exactly. So this program, this 16-week program, coming next year, we're gonna have a 6-week program that's gonna focus on straight flux core. So same thing you're gonna be doing for Lexicon, we're gonna be doing one for 6 weeks. It's gonna focus straight on flux core. The welding, uphill, overhead, and horizontal, how to run the beads, just all flux core welding. That's gonna be a great benefit for somebody. Because you'll do 6 weeks here, and then they're gonna go do 2 weeks there and get paid on the job for the 2 weeks while they're learning the rest of it. That's a no-brainer. That's pretty nice, ain't it? So, so would you recommend another upcoming brother that's coming out of school your age? How old are you? About 19, 20? 19 years old. Would you recommend this to somebody else?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Especially since young, got time. It's kind of easy to get a hang on too. It's just there.
So yeah, when you're young, you can get it and really do something with it, man. So I really think you're gonna be all right, man. I appreciate you coming through messing with me, man.
Appreciate it.